It's true. If you can't stop snoring, you need a mouth tape. And GuruNanda has the most incredible mouth tapes. You can very clearly see that there is a difference. These are the reason why my face is changing. Forget about the difference in your face. Let's just say you have a perfect jawline. The quality of sleep that you get by wearing these is insane. You don't want to be a mouth breather. And the reason why is because you need oxygen to go all the way up to your brain. And the only way to do that is through nasal breathing. Our mouth tapes have a little hole in them. So it's nice so when you're in the middle of the night and you're thirsty and you want to take a sip of your water, you don't have to fully take off your mouth tape. They come in this little casing, so no dust affects the grip, and you're good to go. If you guys are interested in the product, I have it linked here below, but don't trust me, trust the reviews.